Hi guys, thanks for joining me for today's video. In it, we are taking a closer look at the company Square. So we'll get into who they are, what they do well, and what they don't do as well. And we'll get into my honest review of them to find out if they're the best payment solution for your business. Now, before we really get into it, if you want to check out Square for yourself, you'll find an affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you a penny more, and you'll get our unique discount. So that being said, let's get into it. So what is Square? Well, if you're looking for a way to process payments either in person or online, on the go, or in a single location, they may be the right fit for you. They are a payment processor and point of sale, or POS, platform that offer their services to businesses regardless of their size or industry. And best of all, you don't need a PhD to use their platform. Even me, as an everyday, non-PhD holding person, I have used the program and its features painlessly. Now, just like different businesses have their own unique set of needs, different industries do too. Recognizing that, Square offers different plans for retail, restaurant, and service-based businesses. When it comes to retail businesses, they give their users access to on-site and online sales and inventory management. Or restaurants, with the ability to sync the menu for pickups, delivery, and online orders, and scheduling features for service-based businesses. If your business goals are mainly through online sales, there is an e-commerce builder Square offers too. Now, when it comes to plans, there's 3 Square currently offers. Your least expensive option is the free plan because, well, it's free. This option is great for folks looking to take payments over the phone, online, or in person who may not have sales every day or maybe runs their business on the weekends. But you would still be on the hook for any processing fees and hardware you purchase. We'll get into more on fees and hardware later. Now, if you run a big operation, there's a premium option. Pricing for this option is custom for your business, so you'll have to contact Square for a quote. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more to offer than the free option, but you don't need a curated plan, there is an affordable middle-of-the-road option called the Plus plan, which starts at $29 a month plus any processing fees and, again, any hardware you may buy. This plan is great for businesses who run day-to-day operations and are looking for features designed specifically for retail, restaurant, or service-based businesses. Now, depending on your industry and, of course, the size of your business, there are some extra plans that are available. Like if you have a restaurant, you can upgrade to a premium plan for $165 per location each month. With it, you get mobile POS software and 24/7 customer support. Or if you have a service-based business, you can upgrade to their premium option for $69 for each location a month. With this plan, you'll get more staff management options, resource management, and customizable contract fields. Now, regardless of your plan, even to go the free route, every plan comes with balance transfers as quickly as 1 business day, end-to-end encrypted payments, fraud protection, live phone support, dispute management, quick online setup, and a free POS app. I also want to add that Square is 100% PCI DSS compliant, which in English means they follow all the set rules and guidelines to protect credit card information. So you can rest assured your customers' information is safe. If you want to compare apples to apples, all of the features each of the plans include, be sure to use the affiliate link down below to get our unique discount and have the chance to make an educated decision on which plan is right for you. Now, one feature all the plans have in common are those transaction fees that I mentioned a bit earlier. Regardless of plan, every time you make a sale, you are responsible for a transaction fee. Fees run 2.6% plus a 10-cent transaction fee for each in-person sale, 2.9% plus a 30-cent transaction fee for online sales, 3.5% plus a 15-cent transaction fee for manually entered sales, and finally 3.3% plus a 30-cent transaction fee for invoices. So when it comes to accepting payments, chances are you'll need hardware to swipe or insert the customer's card. Depending on your needs, you can get a contactless and chip card reader for around $59, or a whole register for around $800. There are some mid-range terminal and stand options that run from $150 to $300. For many of the hardware options, you can break your balance into payments over 12 or 24 months, depending on the cost of your hardware. And if you already have hardware from Amazon, for example, Square will work with many third-party hardware, so you may be able to save some time and money by using what you already have. Along with hardware, there are different tools you can purchase as add-ons, like email marketing with rates starting at $15 a month, text message marketing starting at $10 a month, and payroll services starting at $35 a month with an added fee for each person paid. Now, if you already have payroll or accounting services set up with another provider, like QuickBooks, for example, Square offers a variety of app integrations. So if you prefer to continue using a program you're familiar with or want to make transferring data smoother, you have options. So now that we've talked a little bit about what they have to offer, what are some things they do well? And what are some things they don't do as well? Well, one thing I really liked and others have enjoyed as well is that the service is easy to set up with helpful tutorials and a sign-up wizard to help you along every step of the way. Their free plan is also a major benefit for many business owners, especially small business owners who may not have sales frequently enough to warrant paying for a subscription every month. Even with a free plan, you can offer your customers gift cards. Both e-cards and physical cards you can order directly from Square for a reasonable rate. With Square paid plans, you can get a sales trend report. This feature creates a simple, easy-to-read graph that can help you plan out your inventory. If your business needs a little boost, Square offers their own small business loans. Now, with the good, you get the bad. Like, delays can happen. Even though payments should hit your account the following business day, delays do happen. But they can happen with any processor you choose, which I understand can be frustrating, especially if you were depending on those funds being deposited in your account. And if you need help outside of banker's hours, not all plans offer 24/7 support, which can potentially lead to some stressful moments. But there are plenty of tutorial videos and self-help resources Square offers to help you work through those stressful moments. Now, Square is not the only payment processor out there. Considering you're watching this review video, you already know. So how do they measure up to their competitors, like Shopify? Well, for one, Square offers a free plan, where you only pay for transaction fees. Shopify doesn't offer any free plans right now. In order to use the program, you need to pay a monthly fee. Now, if you want to check out Shopify as well, to get the best deal out there, be sure to take a peek at the discounted link you'll find down in the description. With it, you'll be able to try Shopify's e-commerce option for 3 months for only $1 a month. I'll also drop a review on Shopify in the description as well. If you're looking to start a solely e-commerce business, Shopify may offer you more customization options and better scalability. Square is a better fit for in-person sales, although they can support an e-commerce business. And if you're ever in an area without an internet connection, which, let's be honest, can happen from time to time, both Shopify and Square will work to process payments, but Shopify limits what features are available offline. Like with Shopify, you can't accept swipe cards, gift cards, or tips. Square doesn't limit what features are available, which again makes them a standout platform in the POS space. I personally have been a Square user for 2 years now. I do seasonal markets around the holidays and decided to try Square since they let you use their platform for free, which is extra helpful for my business since I don't always make sales every month. Since the beginning, I've never had an issue with using Square on my phone, even in areas where the service has been spotty at best. Even after my puppy decided to chew my card reader the day before an event, I could still use my phone to manually enter cards, so I never missed out on any sales. I have friends who use Square, some for businesses, and some have downloaded it to take payments for their kids' school fundraisers. True story. But for me, Square has been a dependable and affordable way to process payments for my small business. It fits my needs right now and offers more if my business ever expands. Because of that, I think Square is a good payment solution for anyone looking for a flexible way to handle sales for their business. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found the video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We have new videos coming out all the time. And if you want to check out Square for yourself, scroll down to the link below for a unique affiliate discount you won't find directly on their website. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.